final test match at Motera to take the series 3-1 and storm into the World Test Championship final where they take on New Zealand. This series victory was obviously scripted by a lot of heroes in this Indian team. You look at Rohit Sharma and R. Ashwin, the senior pros who scored runs and took wickets consistently, and then you had the younger generation of cricketers. This is what was most heartening about this series triumph. You talk of Rishabh Pant, you talk of Akshar Patel, you talk of Washington Sundar. They did magnificently.
आजकल टीम बना रहे हो? 25 रुपए की टीम बनाई, 3 घंटे वेट किया और 28 रुपए जीते। मिल गई तसल्ली। हाउसर पे खेलो लेजेंड्स के साथ, हमें हराओ और जीतो ट्रिपल कैश। Visit Houser.com. Download the Houser app now.
Whenever they were called upon to perform for the team. Rishabh Pant has, of course, been a superstar for the team, superstar performer. You remember, you look back at his performances in Australia, where he almost pulled off a miraculous victory in Sydney with that onslaught, with that brutal 97. Then you go back to Brisbane, where he pulled off what looked like an improbable victory with an unbeaten 89. And then you come to India. Rishabh Pant again played some pretty impactful innings throughout this series against England. But his most significant knock in the series came in the final test match where he scored 100. Obviously, he's missed out on a few opportunities because he's that kind of a batsman. He had said right after his knock that the team has given him the license to play his shots, and he quite clearly revels in that situation. He likes playing with a lot of freedom. He likes playing his own natural game, and he can really take the attack to the opposition. And a player like Rishabh Pant can change the course of a test match very, very quickly. You look at Rishabh Pant batting, you think of the likes of Virender Sehwag, you think of the likes of Adam Gilchrist, players who could really turn a game on its head with their impact. And of course, you also have to look at Washington Sundar. He was unlucky to be stranded on 96. He could not quite get to his 100 on what turned out to be the final day of the test match. But his performances have been remarkable too. Remember, he came into the team as a bowling all-rounder in the final test match in Brisbane when R. Ashwin was ruled out because of an injury. In Brisbane, on debut, he played beautifully. He scored a half century, took important wickets. Coming to India, he could not quite get his name against the wickets tally, but he played some superb knocks against England. But probably his most significant knock, one of his most significant knocks in Test cricket as he gets along, would be this 96 not out. India were in a massive spot of bother after India had bowled England out for 205, lost some early wickets. Rohit Sharma obviously stuck around for a 49, but then Pujara, Rahane, Virat Kohli, India lost that momentum early on before Rishabh Pant and Washington Sundar fought back remarkably to ensure India had enough on the board to script an innings victory. Also, Akshar Patel, he was absolutely brilliant in his first 3 test matches. Remember, he would have got his maiden cap in the first test match in Chennai, but a last moment injury meant Shahbaz Nadeem got that game instead. But he has just been remarkable, hasn't he, since his debut? 5 fours, and obviously he missed out on a 5-wicket haul in the first innings, but he broke Dilip Doshi's record, Indian record for most wickets in a debut test series. And remember, Dilip Doshi got that record in 6 test matches. R. Ashwin did that in 3 fewer games. So that's very encouraging to see the younger crop coming up and stepping up whenever the team has needed them to. It all started reflecting so well around the Australian tour, where you had a lot of the senior cricketers ruled out through different stages of the series because of injury. Obviously, skipper Virat Kohli came back home after the Adelaide Test match, but the younger guys rallied around brilliantly. Whether it was Mohammad Siraj, Navdeep Saini, Obviously, Rishabh Pant, Washington Sundar, Shardul Thakur, these guys were just remarkable. And when they came to India, we knew that a lot of those guys would not play Test cricket together for a very, very long time. But Washington Sundar did get his opportunities. He scored a couple of half centuries. Like I said again, he was unlucky to miss out on that 100. But given the kind of talent he has, we are sure he will be able to come back and score a few more hundreds for India at the Test arena. But the series will be remembered for the impact Rishabh Pant has had consecutively, whether it was against Australia, whether it was against England, two very, very tough competitors. And he will take a lot of confidence from these two series. And also his wicket keeping. He was sometimes criticized for his glove work behind the stumps, but throughout the series, he has only improved. And one hopes that a player like him, a player of his stature, his growing stature, will continue to develop with his glove work. Akshar Patel, he only played the series because Ravindra Jadeja was ruled out with an injury he sustained in Australia. But he came in and showed he also has the goods to deliver for India in Test cricket. He picked up a bag full of wickets, and also his innings, his partnership with Washington Sundar late on Saturday gave India that much more impetus before England crumbled again in their final innings of the series. So that's it for this segment. It is a tribute to the young Indian cricketers that they pulled off a magnificent victory, and a lot of questions. We've seen a lot of comments around the fact that Ajinkya Rahane, Virat Kohli, Cheteshwar Pujara did not get as many runs in the series as they would have liked to, but obviously at different stages also Ajinkya Rahane, Virat Kohli played important innings. Virat Kohli's captaincy astute as ever, but it was great to see two things, right? You go back to the Australia series when Virat Kohli did not play the last three Test matches. You saw the leadership group stand up around Ajinkya Rahane, and again in the series against England when the likes of Pujara, Rahane and Kohli did not get as many runs as they would have liked, you saw the young guns step up and deliver. There was a collapse again in Motera in the final Test match, but Rishabh Pant, Akshar Patel and Washington Sundar, between them, they made sure that the lower order collected enough runs to put England under pressure again in the final innings and wrap up an incredible series triumph.